Zipline!
Hold up.
So welcome here in Restanura. Yan. So for today's video, kasama ko to si Bro Malakay. Ayan. At nandito ulit kami sa Restanura para sulitin yung bakasyon kasi namin because dito sa Saudi Arabia is Eid holiday ngayon, right? It's Eid holiday. So yung government employees ay binigyan ng 2 weeks vacation, and for the private katulad sa amin ay binigyan ng 1 week vacation. So bago matapos ang bakasyon, so susulitin namin to uli. So ngayon medyo marami ang nandito ngayon. Dito si Brother Cab, si Baby Isaiah, Sir Arnold,
Hello!
Brother
Focus mo si Palakay!
Sunny. Meron na siya. Ayan.
Hindi ka!
So this is the sunrise. Sunrise.
Hello!
So ito ang tuktok ng Restanura. Ayan. Dami naliligo pa kaya bawal pa siya ng kunan. Bangan natin ng tubig. Susundan na ngayon natin sila. Sama natin sila maligo. Video. Hello.
Hi, bro.
Tuwatin niyo siya. Pero kasi pagkaikot namin.
Subscribe and like.
May ano ko dito. Ganda na siya. Okay naman. Marami pa yun. Alon na focus na niya. Focus yung alon. Ay, oo nga, naano ka na po. Say hi, Sister Lina.
Hello. Hello.
Bebe, saya.
Saya, ano kasi?
Hello.
marumi oh. Bakit na marumi na ngayon?
Kaya ano po yan, mga ano lang, dahon to. Galing sa ano.
Okay, parang
Dito
aga na
malakas
aga.
ang alon. Malakas ang alon. Alon. Alon mo ngayon, tukang alon.
Malakas po ang alon ngayon. Hello guys.
Talaga ganun.
We are here at Dance Street Vlog, okay, and we are going to support
Ganda naman
Dance
ng
Vlog.
araw.
So here we are at Rasta Nula Beach again.
Our last din now.
We love to come here because
Our last
the
day.
water is clear and it's just like the shore in Boracay. You know, this is the little Boracay of Saudi Arabia. Okay, so if you want to enjoy your life, just come here in Rasta Nula. Even if you will maligaw-ligaw, it's okay. But the water is very good. The water is blue. You can see the water is blue. Okay, so support Dance Vlog. Okay, thanks guys. Just subscribe and press the button, press the bell. God bless.
And don't forget to
Subscribe
watch the vlog.
button. It's subscribe button. And shout out all of the fans.
Very good.
Shout out to Mami. Come on. Hello, Mami.
Shout out to mommy.
Sorry.
Eh, baby na Raya.
Mommy.
Sige, talk na. Mag-vlog na sige. Oh, invite all the viewers. Come on. Invite the viewers. So all the viewers out there. Come on.
Everyone.
Yeah.
It's winning now because the ocean is more cleaner than Husband Beach. Yeah, and I like this.
What will you say about Rasta Nula Beach?
What can you say about Rasta Nula Beach?
It's great. I like the ocean. More than Half Moon Beach.
And
I like my floater. I like my floater. And I believe I can
Very good. Kailangan daw dugtog na sa mga balak para daw kuminis. Sige, pag nakalagay sa mata mo yan.
Advice po to ni Vicky Diana. Diana.
Hi, Dayan! Shout out! Kaya Mendoza.
Diane Melody Mendoza.
Feels like Boracay. Po ito ay maganda sa katawan. Maganda sa ito. Ikinis pong mukha nyo after 5 minutes. I-apply nyo po ito. Yan pong sekreto para maging makinis ang mukha nyo. Ayan. Mga aking kababayan, yung mga Dance Street followers, just continue to like and share all the posts of our
why do you like going to Rasta Nula Beach?
posts of our vlogger, Mr. Dan Abandog. Just continue to subscribe and share all his videos.
Malambot ka mo nga mo. Hawakan mo. Natural.
Meron naman ako na bibili ng faces scrub eh.
Pampanipis ng mukha. Dahil makapalang.
Ang Magdaddy. Hey! No one touches our screen. Always sad. Ano pa to?
I like to think when you're in the ocean, I like swimming here. It's more better than up on this. And so, I was playing with your mom or your dad. Hello.
Ay, talaga.